Icinga Review. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. Icinga is a popular monitoring solution, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's free for all use cases. The surprising truth is that while Icinga Core is open source, pricing comes into play with Icinga's enterprise features, support, and professional services. For small setups, Icinga Core can be deployed at no cost, offering robust monitoring of servers, networks, and applications. You won't believe how scalable it is. You can manage dozens of nodes with community plugins without spending a dime. Enterprise customers or businesses requiring official support, extended modules, or advanced reporting pay subscription fees, which typically start around a few $100s per year, depending on a number of nodes. Most people get this wrong by thinking open source means no cost. It's the value of support and enterprise features that defines the real pricing. In conclusion, Icinga pricing is flexible, scaling from free community use to paid enterprise plans. By understanding open source capabilities versus premium services, you go from zero to pro in deciding which plan fits your monitoring needs and budget.